Hey everyone, so I'm back with another product, the Nostalgia My Mini Lava and Bundt Cake Maker. They advertise you can make little mini lava cakes, you can make donuts, muffins, all that different stuff. And like I mentioned in one of my other videos, I like these little things. They're cute. They're more for like a personal use. They're not really going to cook for a family, that's for sure. And this thing is not much bigger than my hand. A little smaller than the others. It's cute though. My daughters love it. Here we go. We'll open it up. You can see that you can make 3 little cakes or muffins or whatever at a time. Like I said, it's not huge, so this is more of like a personal use. But I did make a muffin mix, just a blueberry muffin. As we'll go ahead and do a test with that. And it says in the manual between 5 and 7 minutes. So we'll go ahead and we'll try 5 minutes first. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Cute little Bundt cake shaped muffins. If you're wanting a small dessert, maybe just for yourself, this is perfect. You would have to make smaller batches, of course, of your batters and everything. Nothing's sticking. I'm not using any oil or anything at all. I'm just using a tablespoon to fill them. We're going to try it at 4 minutes this time. All right, 4 minutes later. Just as good as the 5 minutes, so you can actually do it in 4. They're cute. But keep in mind, if you're trying to do this for, a family, it's going to take a little bit of time to get all these done. But this is fun for, a single person. You just want that little dessert for yourself. Maybe your kids want to play with it. They want to make a dessert. My 8-year-old's already talking about wanting to play with it. She wants to try brownies and stuff in it, because I did read that you could do the brownies and everything as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and just spruce them up here a little bit. You can eat them just like this. They are just muffins. Just drizzle a little chocolate syrup, or it's actually a chocolate caramel syrup. Then I'll put just a little bit of powdered sugar on it. And there you go. There's a little cake maker by Nostalgia. I definitely want to get some more stuff, test it out. I'm going to do the recipe and try the lava cake. Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment below.